Welcome to AlphaCars and Ural Motorcycles. My name is Dmitry, and I'm so excited to share with you information about these two bikes. And the reason I have them side by side because they're both Terracotta Metallic, and this one has a little bit of really tasteful, nice gray metallic inlays. We're going to check that out. And also this particular one has some really cool accessories. Nothing new, but a combination of these accessories happens to be a popular one. So very often when we sell a bike, we see that these are very common accessories. So we actually set it all up for you. And we also, I'm not sure if this bike would be available still at the time when you watch this video. And by the way, if it isn't, we're going to have more bikes. We have more bikes. But right now, as we are filming this video, this bike has the coolest accessories, and a lot of these accessories will work out to be practically free because we are offering a substantial discount on this bike and a couple others that we installed accessories on. So check those out. If you're on the market, it's going to be really exciting for you. If you're not on the market, maybe that will bring you closer to taking delivery of your Ural motorcycle. And that's one special day everybody remembers. So let's get right to it. I'm going to show you these two bikes. We're going to start with one that has an interesting color theme, and then we'll switch to the other one that also has a ton of cool accessories. So the first one of the two Terracottas has the gray metallic inlays, and as you can see, it actually looks spectacular. And this bike has, I would say it has most that you can order from the factory customization, because we do have the the two-tone color, custom color. That's one. It's got black powder coated drivetrain. It also has undercoated fenders and undercoated sidecar body. You can see that, as well as the spray-on liner on the sidecar interior, as well as the trunk. And the 2022 has a generous set of options that come standard. Hinton out tires. You have 2-in-1 stainless steel exhaust system. Really nice, as I told you before, I would say an exceptional color combination. And as we're doing the video, there's a little drizzle. Nothing that can hurt a Ural, but if you see a little bit of strange thing on the surface of the paint, that is just a little bit of rain. Now the underbody of the Ural, as you can see right here, has plenty of road clearance, very well protected to begin with, and you can also get skid plates. We have those options. So this is for this bike. And then we're going to transition to the Terracotta with really, really nice extras. This bike, between the factory installed, factory ordered options and the Ural of New England installed accessories, we have over $7,000 in extras on this bike. And I would say probably close to $4,000 in Ural of New England accessories. But at least this time, at the time of this video, we offer a spectacular promotional discount on the bikes with a lot of extras, and this is one of them. So you can see light guards, you can see the rear bumper on this one, another light guard, hand guards, you can see the windshield, engine protection, black powder coated drivetrain, front nose rack, H4 Hella lens with the LED light and with the rock guard. So definitely visit the listing, check out the bike availability. If it's still available, it is a great deal. And actually here we have the device mount right there. And there are a few other things on this bike I'm sure are missing, but if you do visit the listing, you will see it. You will see all the details and pricing breakdown, and any applicable discounts will be shown. So we completed our overview with this short test ride. These bikes are a lot of fun, so definitely check this out. And there's something else on this bike I didn't show you, which I'm going to in just a moment. And that is going to be with the sidecar windshield and the tonneau cover. So the way it's set up, you would look at it and you would think, well, there's no windshield. But actually the way it's stored is pretty ingenious, because when you remove the tonneau cover, which I'm doing right now. Oops, here. You don't have to remove it, you can just pull it up. But what you're going to see is going to be, actually, just for better presentation, we will remove the tonneau cover altogether. That's how it's done. And then on the inside, we have the windshield that we stored previously, and all we need to do is connect the apron from the windshield right to the sidecar, and voila, we have a nice windshield. If I want to get in, I can just move it forward, step into the sidecar, situate myself, very comfortable, bring this back, so we're good to go. And push this away. You can certainly step out of the sidecar, and there it is. So once again, for those that ride without the passenger and you want to save a little bit on fuel, all you need to do is bring this in like that. And the reason I folded it down so that it doesn't rub against the paint. And now it's folded. All we need to do is to put the tonneau cover back on, and that's all there is to it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you haven't been at the Ural dealership, stop by, because these bikes in person are unbelievable. Anyone that I've met, everybody was impressed with the fit and finish of modern Urals, and we sell a lot of them. Their reliability, their performance, and their wow factor is absolutely amazing. So definitely make yourself a part of the Ural community. Start with watching this video. Thank you for that. If you don't have a Ural dealer close by, reach out to us. We do video conference calls. We can do a full presentation for you. We can put together your accessories package. We can price it out. And we do have an e-store with over 600 Ural specific items. And you can just click and you can see pricing with and without installation. So we have it all ready for you. We've been doing it for a long, long time, and we love it. So please reach out if you have any questions. Contact us. But in the meantime, we thank you for watching this video. Consider sharing, subscribing, and let us know which videos you like the best by simply clicking that like button. My name is Dmitry, and until next time.